Unboxing this Minions plush keychain from 52 Toys. Better Together series. Bob and Tim. The designs are Bananas for You, Bob and Tim, Twinsies, Bob and Tim, Bedtime Stories, Bob and Tim, Crushing It, Bob and Tim, Rain Lover, Bob and Tim, Bubble Bath Time. The rarity ratio for the secret is 1 in every 720 blind boxes. 720 is insane. The chance of getting is super rare. I hope to get it. Unboxing the first blind box. 52 Toys. Minions. Better Together series. Bob and Tim. These are the 6 designs in a full tray complete set. I hope to get the secret design. It's Bob and Tim, Bedtime Stories. Tim resting on top of Bob's head is so adorable. Minion Bob's eyes has different colors. Minion Bob is holding a ghost story book, but the pages are blank. His shoes are rotatable. His hands are rotatable. I think this pajamas hat is so cute. The fur in this plush is falling off. How would you rate this Minion Bob and Tim, Bedtime Stories, in a scale of 1 to 10? Unboxing the second blind box. I really hope to get the secret design for this Minion Bob and Tim, Better Together series. It's Bob and Tim, Bananas for You. Minion Bob's eyes is looking towards Tim. His hands are rotatable. Tim is so cute. The banana outfit cannot be removed. His shoes are rotatable. Do you like Bob and Tim, bedtime stories more, or bananas for you more? Leave in the comment below. I love to hear from you. Unboxing the third blind box. It's Bob and Tim, Rain Lover. I like that Tim is resting on Minion Bob's head. He looks so adorable. The raincoat is glossy. It looks waterproof. His shoes are rotatable. His hands are rotatable. Let's try to remove the raincoat. The raincoat cannot be removed. Which is your favorite design for this Bob and Tim Better Together series? Unboxing the fourth blind box. I need all the positive energy to help me get the secret minion design. It's Bob and Tim, bubble bath time. There are 3 environmental diatom bags in this blind box. For bedtime stories. Bananas for you. Rain lover. There are only 2 environmental diatom bags. I think the white curly hair is supposed to look like white foam during the bubble bath time, but I think it looks like an old man with white overgrown beard. Don't you agree? This bubble bath time minion do not have legs. How would you rate this, in a scale of 1 to 10? This is my last 2 blind boxes, my last 2 chances to get the secret minion design. I hope to get the secret minion Bob and Tim. There are 3 environmental diatom bags in this blind box. No, it's not the secret design. It's Bob and Tim, Twinsies. Even though it's not the secret, this Bob and Tim, Twinsies are so adorable. I wonder what is this? Could it be the zipper for this teddy bear costume? This is one of my favorite minion design for this Better Together series, from 52 Toys. Which is your favorite design for this Bob and Tim Better Together series? Leave in the comment below. I love to hear from you. This is my last blind box, my last chance to get the secret minion design. Keeping my fingers crossed. I hope to get the secret design. No, it's not the secret. It's Bob and Tim, crushing it. Please remember to smash the like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell, to be among the first to watch our video. How would you rate this, in a scale of 1 to 10? His shoes are rotatable. Which is your favorite design for this Bob and Tim Better Together series? Leave in the comment below. I love to hear from you. The outfit cannot be removed. I am so disappointed that I could not get the secret minion for this Bob and Tim Better Together series.